Hello everyone to a new video of Algebra for Kids. Today what we're going to do is talk about what have we learned. And for that we have a lot of kids on the call. Charlie is here. Hi Charlie.
Hello.
And Addie and Maddie are here. Addie and Maddie, are you here? Hello. And Natalie is here too. Natalie.
Hello.
And Poppy. Hi Poppy.
Hi.
And Addison is here too. Hi Addison.
Hello.
Hi. So I just wanted to talk to all of you just so you tell me a little bit of like what have you learned. You've been watching the videos and you've helped me with videos on algebra, and we just wanted to see like what have we learned all these videos and all these classes. So can you tell me a little bit? Maybe Charlie, what do you think? What did you learn in algebra class?
I learned how to add fractions. Here is an example.
Wait, hold on. You added fractions. We spent a bunch of time adding fractions. And you have an example for us? What kind of example do you have?
1/2 plus 1/4 equals 3/4.
Very good. That's exactly right. And remember that to do that, what we learned is that you can transform a half. You can talk about it in terms of 2/4. So 2/4 and 1/4 equal 3/4. Awesome. Very good. How about Addie Epley?
I learned how to spell algebra because I had no idea how to.
You learned how to spell algebra. How do you spell algebra?
ALGBRA. Algebra.
Algebra. Very good. Very good. Thank you. How about Maddie?
Algebra is fun.
Algebra is fun. Yes, I hope that people learn that. It is fun. It can be so much fun to do problems in algebra, and once you get it and once you start like being good at it, it's super fun. It's fun. Very good. How about Natalie? Hi Natalie.
Hi.
What did you learn in algebra?
I learned that it's a really nice challenge for me and that it's really fun to do the videos with you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, it is a challenge.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Natalie. You've been super helpful. It definitely is. Algebra is a challenge to for all of us, but that's what makes it fun. It is such a challenge. It's hard sometimes. Once you start being good at it, it's super satisfying to solve problems, right, Natalie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love doing it.
Yeah, thank you. How about Poppy? What did you learn?
In algebra, I learned the algebra way to solve problems with x in it.
Ah, solve problems. So you mean like solve equations with x?
Yeah.
So for example, if we had, say, x plus 7 equals 10, we learn how to solve equations like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what would be the solution to that?
Well, I would take the 7
Uh-huh.
and like switch it around.
Bring it here, maybe?
Yeah.
And then you would get that x is 10 minus 7, and 10 minus 7 equals 3. And then you use algebra to solve an equation, to solve a problem. That's great. Thank you, Poppy. And how about Addison? What did you learn in algebra class?
I learned that if you're stuck on a problem, then you could just add something with the same amount. You add something as for the first number, then from the next number, and it will equal another true equation, but sometimes you can't get it that, so it's good that you can add.
Yeah, so I think what you're saying is that we learned that we can add a number, we can add or subtract a number to both sides of an equation to get to another true equation, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so like for example, in the example that Poppy did above, if we have x plus 7 equals 10, we can subtract to both sides. What happened here is that we subtracted 7 to both sides to get another equation that is a true equation. And since this is 0, we get x equals 10 minus 7, which is 3. And that's exactly what happened here. Very good, Edison.
Thank you.
All right, so yeah, so we did a lot of things in these videos. We learned how to work with equations, with addition and subtraction, then equations with multiplication, and then we learned how to add fractions and subtract fractions, and then worked out word problems with many different types of word problems. And you've all done a great job. So thank you, all of you, for helping me with the videos.
And thank you for letting us help you.
Thank you. And everyone for watching, also thank you. And just keep an eye because soon, very soon, we're going to start with geometry videos and geometry class. Are you all excited for geometry, kids?
Yes. I'm really good at geometry.
What? Yes.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. No, no worries. Geometry is going to be awesome.
Yeah, right.
It's going to be fun, just like algebra. So thank you very much.
Shapes.
What's that?
Is geometry shapes?
Yeah. We're going to talk about shapes.
I'm really good at geometry.
We're going to talk about shapes and measurements.
Graphs?
And what?
Graphs?
And maybe we'll talk about some graphs also. Yes, that's another good topic. And
we're doing this in school.
Really?
A different type of graph.
And we're going to talk about perimeters and all sorts of different things. So that will be fun. All right. So do you all want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.